You were always smarter. I was the one to tag along. I remember how we started to realize we're miles apart. Strange motions, like a shift in the flow. A change coming, it's inevitable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading and the sun rise.
Hey friends, hey fam, what's poppin'? I hope you guys are doing so super well today, staying hydrated, living your best life, checking in with your friends, your family, your heart, and your mind above all things. My name is Janae, and I typically post home decor and lifestyle videos right here on the tube. And today we doing all of that. Because finally I'm doing another favorites video. It's been a minute. I just took a break from them with us moving and all of that. But I thought today would be a great chance to go over some of my recent favorites. Yeah, there's really not much else to say. So let's just get into it. If you've never watched one of my favorites videos, I typically just go around the house and show some things I've been loving. One, because I'm too lazy to bring everything into one room and then sit there and show it to you. And two, I feel like it's a little bit more fun. Also, you guys have given good feedback about it, so we're just gonna keep doing it. We're gonna start out in my bedroom. This is my bedroom setup right now. Actually, Shelby is gonna be taking this wooden bed frame when my new bed frame arrives. This was one I got on Amazon for a really great price. Oh wait, I'm getting distracted. We're talking about favorites. Y'all don't wanna know about my bedroom update? First thing I wanna shout out are not this one, but these two art pieces. If you've ever tried to purchase art, it can be a little bit confusing knowing what size to get, how to frame it, all of that stuff. But I recently started purchasing art on Etsy. Essentially, there are different people who have art shops and they sell downloadable art pieces for $5 to $10, which is really affordable, and you can get the downloadable file in any size, and then you can choose to print it out yourself, but I thought that would be a little complicated. So instead of doing that, I actually uploaded the art to a website called Art to Frames, and that is what I'm trying to plug to you guys right now. The Art to Frames website was so easy to use, and I was able to upload the art pieces that I downloaded from Etsy, and then it just ships directly to your house, already framed, easy to go, and their prices were so fair. So I highly recommend peeping Art to Frames. I also highly recommend peeping Etsy for different art sellers. Okay, ignore the dead flowers in here. This is a mess. I need to handle that. But this vase I want to plug because I've been getting quite a few vases from H&M Home. They have really affordable vases, and I know most people shop at H&M for clothing and stuff like that, but if you've never peeped H&M Home, do yourself a favor because they just have great prices. And this is like one of 4 vases I have from there. The next item I want to plug is a bit bizarre. It looks quite odd, but it is a lifesaver for some people. And it is this TV cart or stand. You just mount your TV to it, and you may be wondering, why on earth would anyone need this? And I'm gonna tell you, if you maybe do not want to mount a TV on your walls because you are in a rental, you just maybe don't like the look of having a mounted TV, this is where this cart comes into play. We got one for my bedroom because I essentially am always losing out on a wall that I could photograph for work. If you don't know, I do create home decor content and lifestyle content, but I end up losing a whole wall sometimes because the TV doesn't always look the best in pictures. So I got this on wheels, and I can just wheel it in and out of my room whenever I need to. I highly recommend it. I'll link it down below. Super sturdy and very easy to use. Absolutely would buy again. Moving on to organization. This is a necklace organizer that I have had for a few months and I am obsessed. It has these little toggles up here where you can put your necklaces and just have them all organized, and now I've saved so much time not having to detangle my necklaces because I used to just keep them stored all together, and it's felt and soft, so if you have nice jewelry, I'm sure that is a plus. It does close as well. You don't have to leave it open like I do. Clothing item wise, the only thing I am currently obsessed with are these biker shorts from Beyond Yoga. They are such a great length. If you have short legs and you've been wearing biker shorts that come down to here, that's okay, but I really think that this length is super flattering and I've been wearing it nonstop. But also their leggings, shorts, everything, they're made of this space dye material. It's just so soft, so buttery. I wish I could somehow show you through the screen, but it is amazing. I love it. Shelby has now gotten some and she loves them. They're great for working out, great for lounging, everything. Would recommend. Peep. Almost forgot to plug this super soft and plush pillow from the Not Pillow store. I have been styling my home with their products for a little while now, ever since we moved to LA, and I love his pillows. This one has this really nice fuzzy texture that just adds some warmth to the space. I absolutely love it. Would recommend. Coming in hot with a plant favorite, our FIcus Audrey tree that we got this past fall, and after owning her for a few months, I am in love and obsessed. She actually has handled some of my poor mothering pretty well. Wouldn't recommend doing that, but yeah, she's actually pretty easy to take care of. She's gorgeous, and it seems like she just likes indirect light, but I could be wrong. I'm gonna put down below if that's accurate. Would recommend because it's gorgeous and kind of dainty and just makes your space come to life a little bit. The other plant I wanna recommend is the FIcus Benjamina. Similar kind of vibe with that kind of dainty foliage, but it's so cute. Also a durable little baby. I did not say adorable, I said a durable. She has handled my poor mothering as well. I even need to dust her, like, why am I even a plant mom? But anyway, would recommend. Pretty easy to take care of. I just water both of these when their soil starts to feel dry and haven't had any issues. Another home decor thing I want to recommend. I won't be able to link to this exact item because it is a thrifted find, but I just wasn't aware that these existed, and they are called frog vases. I do not know why. Anyway, what I love about this vase is that it has all these little holes here, so when you are making your little flower arrangements, your stems can go into these little holes, and it just allows you to make a very beautiful arrangement easily. I found mine on Etsy, but if you're able to go thrifting right now, I would say keep an eye out for one of these, or if you are impatient, peep Etsy for a frog vase or vintage frog vase. I think you guys might enjoy something like that. The only other home decor favorite I want to shout out, I found these really nice vintage rugs on Etsy, and I never knew that you could buy rugs on there. And this is what I'm going to tell you. Vintage, I know already sounds like it's going to be expensive. However, a lot of the sellers that I found on there, they will actually offer a discounted price or open to negotiation. Essentially, I would just start perusing around on Etsy, looking at vintage rugs, and all I was doing was favoriting different items that I really liked, and I started getting messages from people who have no idea who I am or what I do for work, but just saying, hi, I own this Turkish rug shop. I noticed that you favorited this item. I am willing to offer a discount or offer this at a discount. So a lot of the rugs, one, are already discounted, but I would say if you see something you really like, message the seller and just see what they are willing to bring it down to or counter offer with a different number. And the worst thing they can do is say no, and that's really not that bad. Then maybe that wasn't the best option for you. So yeah, don't sleep on Etsy if you are looking for a cute rug for your space. If you haven't seen one of these, that's all right. Your life is about to be improved, and it is a gadget that helps you open up any jars or lids that are stuck, and it can open anything that's this wide to anything that is that tiny. My mom has had one of these since I was a little kid, and I finally got my hands on one only a few weeks ago, honestly. But I grew up using this, and I don't know what took me so long to finally buy one for myself. But you know, these, they love to get stuck, and you just stick it all the way in, go around, and then twist it off. and it loosens the cap and makes life so easy. Oh, it's amazing. I love it, and you should get it. Okay, this lighting is a little lit. I'm looking a little golden though. I'm here for it. I just made a rank looking smoothie. She's not cute. I am about to relax in that chair right over there. But before I do that, I want to show some love to today's sponsor and also put you guys on to something that I think you would really enjoy and that could only improve your life, and that is Skillshare. Thank you so much, Skillshare, for sponsoring today's video. But most importantly, thank you to you guys, because if it weren't for you and your support, there would be no sponsors. If you are not familiar with Skillshare, it is an online learning community where millions of people go to take their creative interests to the next level. And what's awesome about it is that they have video courses for people on any level, whether you're a beginner or intermediate. And I have actually been using it to learn a little bit more about productivity as well as content creation. Whether you want to learn more about illustration or film or UX design, they have it all. If it's creative, they have it. There's even home decor videos on there about how to style shelves, a course that I am beyond stoked about and I'm about to start taking literally today, is with someone I absolutely love, Christopher Griffin. She's known as Plant Queen over on Instagram, and she truly is a queen. She has a course on Skillshare all about plants at home and how to uplift your spirit and your space. Definitely peep her class. Skillshare has thousands of classes, and the best part is that they are typically under 60 minutes and are able to fit with any schedule or any lifestyle for just $10 a month on their annual program. Lastly, the first 1,000 subscribers to click the link in my description, you will get a free trial of their premium membership and will be able to explore all that your heart desires. So definitely check that out.
On the road when I found you.
Okay, let's do some food items real quick. If you are a person that likes to add protein powder to your smoothies, or if you use it in other ways, this showed up at our house randomly. I was a little sketched out because I don't know how this company got our address. It's called Dose & Co, and it actually is Khloe Kardashian's wellness line. I sound so rude, but I'm not trying to sound rude. We were just confused about how it arrived. And it has 20 grams of protein per serving, which is really high. It has 10 grams of collagen. I've added it to smoothies and little like oatmeal bowls and stuff like that. It doesn't taste chalky. It doesn't taste like protein powder. It just tastes pretty good and adds a little bit of richness. They got me. I got because I'm definitely going to be buying this after trying it out for these past couple months. Two other little food thingies we've been loving are these Made Good vanilla crispy squares. They are pretty much Rice Krispies, but you know, apparently made with better ingredients from vegetables. So who knows if these things are actually that, it's not like they're healthy, but if you have a sweet tooth like I do, this is a nice little treat. We are trying out one of those box subscription services, and this one is called Hive, and they sent us all these awesome snacks, and that's where this is from. Absolutely would try again. I know I might just be late to the game, but we did not start eating these until around December, and oh my gosh, they are so good. This is just the sea salt flavor, but I absolutely recommend the kettle corn flavor and the white cheddar. I've seen other people talk about popcorners but never picked them up, and now I am a forever fan. If you are still sleeping on popcorners, get your life together. If you are dairy free or just sometimes want to not have as much dairy, this Siggy's coconut blend yogurt is the best dairy-free yogurt I have ever tried. It's not too heavily coconutty, but it's so creamy. This is a brand called Siete, and we were trying to find some tortillas that were gluten-free. Neither of us are gluten-free, but just trying to switch it up, balance it out sometimes. And these are paleo, dairy-free, soy-free, vegan, blah, blah, blah. But they actually taste really good, and the texture is the most similar to an actual tortilla that I've experienced. Definitely peep them. They have almond flour, and we've tried their chickpea flour. Okay, the last things I want to plug are, one, if you have any loved ones with a birthday coming up, you guys have to check out this company called Send a Cake Now. My bestie Kiko sent me one of their products for my birthday, which was recently. Oh, what is this? It was such a cool gift, and some of you may not know about it. I didn't know about it, and I think it's a good idea. The one source of entertainment that I have been enjoying so much is 90 Day Fiance. Very late to the game, but I had not seen the show, and I am absolutely obsessed right now. Shelby started me on the current season with all these phenomenal people, but we also went back to season 5. So if you've also never watched the show, I highly recommend using Hulu or the TLC app and checking out season 5 if you love reality TV. It is very entertaining. That's it for my favorites, and it's time to get back to this day. We're losing light and there's still work to be done. What are you cooking up, Schlarby?
It is ramen, but not with a lot of broth. Supposed to be for a plan a poke roll, but with tofu. But I wasn't really feeling trying something super new today. So I do like making like ramen noodles with like stuff in it. So I figured I would fry the tofu with other things, and then I'd have like ramen, and I'd have my noodles, so I'll feel happy.
I think it's a good idea. You guys, this recipe was lit. I am linking it down below. It's not as good as my mom's when she makes egg salad, but she doesn't measure anything, so I can't really replicate her recipe.
Maybe I've gone crazy, but I want somebody that can really shake me. I want somebody to call my baby.
I haven't even taken out the box yet.
She's 15. She's real emotional and like whatever. So she used to like, oh my gosh, like.
And it's supposed to come right off. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Everything bagel ice cream.
Jenny! Jenny, no! You've been hanging out with Joe? She's been hanging out with Joe. She needs to stop.
Curry streusel laden with sesame, poppy seeds, and yes, onions and garlic. She made her
Jenny!
subtly sweet cream cheese ice cream.
Oh, girl, out of that. Call HQ. Call HQ. I did just finish that little manicure. It's really bright in here, so you're actually not seeing the actual color. It's more of like a blue gray. Anyway, I was trying this product called Mani Me. I actually think it was someone's ad on a YouTube video, so watch out. Might get ya. It's a pretty easy concept. However, I don't know, I found it to be actually a lot of work. I mean, I'm gonna use the ones I have, and maybe as I get better at it, I'll like it more, so I'll definitely keep you guys posted. But as of right now, it's not in a favorites video. If you made it this far in this video, thank you so much for watching. It truly means the world, and I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks again to Skillshare for sponsoring. You a real one, and you already know who you are. You know what you is. You the best. You the baddest, and I love you guys so much. See you in the next video. Bye. You ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Hey, you ain't nothing but a bad bitch. Hey.